Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by arming the F117 with JDAM and configuring systems. Do this now. Load 2 XGBU31s or the equivalent. Make sure master arm is on and radar/avionics preset to bombing. Once done, confirm the TGP or HUD reticle is active and set navigation to the target waypoint. Speed and altitude matter. Keep a stable, predictable profile for clean release. Make sure to select combat flaps if needed. This minimizes dispersion and keeps delivery precision high. You now fly the attack run and establish target lock. Use the TGP or HUDQ to lock the aim point. Keep a steady heading and altitude. Small inputs reduce dispersion, so JDAM guidance can compute the trajectory accurately. Once the weapon computes its solution, arm the JDAM fuse mode and confirm the release parameters. You should see time to impact or range. When ready, press release. The missile will guide itself, but maintain heading for a few seconds to avoid jostling the solution. After release, egress immediately. Execute a high G turn and change altitude to break enemy tracking and reduce SAM risk. Once clear, observe impact on TGP or map to confirm a hit. If you need a re-attack, mark the point and reset your approach. If the JDAM misses, troubleshoot. Ensure fuse and waypoint sync were correct, check for GPS jamming or damage, and verify correct weapon type and loadout. Finally, replan quickly. You want to keep momentum and avoid loitering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.